Hey y'all, hey, if you're interested in seeing this cute little butterfly / goddess lock look I've created, please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright y'all, so I have braided the back of my hair up and I am now going to apply a blonde stocking cap to my braids just to disguise the color a little bit and give the appearance of a natural scalp. I've braided and sewn down the back of my hair because we are going to do some interlocks down there so that way I can get the asymmetrical bob that I want. Alright y'all, so I left this part so you guys can see how I spaced my hair for the locks. So I've already parted the back off, so now I'm gonna go ahead and part out this section here. So our first one will be right here, and I just took a clear rubber band and excuse my nails y'all, I had to dye the blonde hair, or well yeah, dye it, but pretty much tone it to get it this color. So my nails are kind of ugly, so if they look like they're dirty, they're not. They just look like that. So we got two spaces, and now I try to window part them, y'all, because y'all know I like my window parts, and if you don't know, now you do. Anywho, can we talk some gossip though? Not gossip, but I guess it is gossip, but you know, this whole Derek Jackson, whatever his name is, the man is incredible. Like, it's not that this doesn't happen every day, because it really freaking does. Like, I know plenty of women who have these men that manipulate them to, you know, do whatever they want, you know, and they don't say anything about it to the man, because they're just happy to have a man. I'm just not understand. There is so many people in this world. It's like, why would you even deal with that? I don't know, y'all. I just hope she values herself a little more, you know, because that man's been cheating since the beginning. It ain't like, you know, they was in a relationship for so long, they've known each other for so long, and you know, now he's just, you know, he stepped out once, maybe even twice, but this man has literally been cheating the whole relationship, like, consistently. And she's talking about God. First of all, God was never involved in that. Like, how could you even think that he was involved in that? That he would set you up with a man who don't respect himself, let alone you, and have you marry him, and you think God is gonna bless that when he's out with other women and he doesn't even have the same beliefs as you? That, I mean, you know, I grew up in the church, and I'm not saying that I'm like a holier Christian, because I'm definitely not, trust me, but come on, I grew up in the church, so I know some things, and I know that's not it. Anybody pushing that, you know, just pray about it, you know, and the devil's out to corrupt, steal, and destroy marriages. Okay, maybe the ones that are both trying to be on the same plate, but he's not even on your level at all. Like, at all. And the Bible says, don't date people who you are not evenly yoked with. I mean, if you really want to talk about it. So that's what I'm confused about. Like, that man is trash. And that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. He is a manipulator at his finest. She just looks sad, and I feel sad for her. Really, I don't feel bad for her, because she's known and she's accepted, you know, his ways. So I don't feel bad for her, because she's known that this man has been just a piece of shit for probably most of his fucking life. And then he sold all these damn books to all these women. He corrupted all these women. And then that's another thing. You let this man sitting here and you're praising him, you're going to his events and stuff, and you're supporting him about these relationships. Meanwhile, you know that he is out sexting every woman who is with it. That's crazy to me. I don't know. I be trying to stay out of people's relationship, but it's all over social media. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. And I'm drinking wine. Yo, I gotta lose some weight. Yo, I'm breathing way too hard these days. Like, yo, I measure my ass, y'all. Your girl is at a 49 inch. Okay? I need to get my life together. You know, I didn't put on a little happy weight. You feel me? Because the bitch is happy. You feel me? And so we eating good. And we are loving. And trust me, we are getting cardio. So, I just gotta slow down on the press. Alright. Now, I've already put some on the other side, but we are going to put some of the Locked God oil. Locked God oil. I don't know why I always mess that up. I'm sorry, yo. We're going to put this on my hair just to stimulate a little growth so it's not so damn tight for days. Yo, I'm sorry. God, the sound that came out of me right now is so inappropriate. I'm sorry. Yo, this feels good as shit though. Every time though. Yo, I'm ready. She ready. So now that everything is put into its sections, we are going to take some braiding hair. This is Cuban twist braiding hair. Okay, 613. Yeah, I'm a little dyslexic, so I might do that a lot. Yeah, so 613, we're gonna do that. Use that and put that through our base of our hair. So take our crochet needle, put that. I don't want to put it directly through my base of my hair, so I just try to put it directly underneath the rubber band. Okay. Now, I've been drinking some wine, y'all, so if I get a little wet, just excuse me. Okay, so now we're gonna just split that. And what I like to do is, it's the twist method. It's the kinky twist method. Okay, and that's gonna be to roll the hair and twist. Roll the hair and twist. So we're gonna do that all the way down with a nice grip. And I'm only rolling one side. I'm not doing the cynical least twist because why stress my hands out unnecessarily? Don't forget to like. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and finish all the twists and then I will be back. Alright, y'all, so I have finished the side of my head and most of the back. I ran out of braiding hair. I'll figure that out. So now I'm going to move on to the crochet braids in the back. Now for that, we're going to be using this hair here. This is the Janet collection, Nola. These are 12-inch crochet braids. We are going to use these as the base for the style. We got our braid, got some nice little crochet hook on there. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna finish putting those in and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm finished putting in the pieces on the bottom. Now I'm going to cut them. Okay, so what I did is just measured where I want this to fall, and I want it to right there on my neckline. So what I'm gonna do is get some rubber band. All right, and I'm just gonna rubber band it where I want it to fall. About right there. Okay, so now I've got the rubber band there. I'm gonna cut right under the rubber band. Literally not even a half an inch under the rubber band. Boom. Okay, so now I'm gonna make them all this size and I'll come back. All right, y'all, so I am finished cutting the back. Move this around so you guys can see. So all of the little pieces are cut. So now we're gonna wrap each of these in some hair. All right, so first we're gonna take it to where we want it to fall, and I just feel like it falls so heavy, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the asymmetrical and keep it short on this side. And remember, take it up a little bit shorter than where you actually want it to fall, because it's gonna fall longer once you wrap it. So now I'm gonna take a rubber band. I'm gonna knock the end off like this. All right, just wrap it around a couple of times this way, and then rubber band that second top part. Now it doesn't have to be pretty, y'all, because you're gonna wrap all this shit up anyways. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just cut that extra end off. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna take our first piece of hair. And this hair is this hair here, free tress, deep twist, 22" and 6/13. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and split this just a little bit. Okay. And now and now we're gonna twist. I twist from left to right. That just feels natural for me, left to right. And at this top part, I go over a couple times just so it's nice and tight in there before I start to any type of butterfly effect. Oh my god, this hair be getting on my nerves, y'all. All right, okay, so a couple times and then loop. Now this was hard for me, y'all, for real. This loop part, I don't know how to be like how to loosen my grip, so it's hard. So I had to find a technique for myself. So what I do is kind of go over the top part, so that way I don't have too many holes, and then go right through the middle part. It kind of gives that the distressed look. And underneath. Okay, so now we're running out of hair there, but before we run out, go ahead and add some more hair to it. This is another thing too. I wish I would have got some glue. Next time if I do these again, I'm definitely gonna use some glue, because it just starts to slide after a while. It's not that it doesn't unravel, it's just that it just slides down. All right, and boom, here's one. One more for you. I didn't leave any I didn't make that one like really goddess lock, so I'm gonna make this one more. y'all see what I did? I just tucked the blonde over this, so maybe just to disguise it just a little bit. Alright, y'all. So there's 2. Alright, so I'm gonna finish it up, y'all, and then I'll come back and let y'all see the finished results. Hey y'all, hey, I am all finished, y'all. Listen, it took me like a week to get this done, okay? You know, but we're done, thank God. Y'all, it's cute. Do you hear me? It is adorable. Let me go around so y'all can peek the bed. Yeah. Ew. Yes, this is adorable. Okay, first of all, I've always wanted a bob. Y'all, it came out perfectly. I don't like to do my own horn, but toot. Seriously though, this is cute as fuck, period. But babe loves it. He's loving it. He's like, babe, yes. He's like, I did miss the blonde. Right. Guys, it's adorbs. Okay, let's go about some cons about this hairstyle. First of all, this part, this unraveling part, this movement, I don't like that. I can't tell you how many times I have rewrapped one of these, especially the ones in the back are like annoying. But yeah, other than that, I can't complain. My head is a little sore. I have been using the hell out of some oil, okay? Do you see how low my bottle is? And it wasn't even, I mean, I was only using this sometimes, but the way that some of this feels, y'all, my hair is just not used to being pulled like that. So I'm just trying to really make sure my scalp is oiled, so that way it's not like, bitch, we give up and then the follicles just be like deuces. I'm just saying. So I just been really oiling it. Yeah, so it's cute. I'm gonna put up a few different ways that I've styled it. As you see, this is my favorite, the top knot. Also, at night, when I feel like I need it to bend a little bit more, like to keep that angle, I put some hair nets on it. Put it down, part it on the side it falls, put a hair net on it, and it makes it bend under. And I put my scarf on top, and it comes out perfect in the morning. So yes, I'm loving the hairstyle. I think it was gonna last me another week or 2, because I already got some other things planned, y'all. Y'all know I love change. So but who knows, I might keep it in a little bit longer. Yeah, y'all, if you like, please let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Please let me know how you feel, if you're feeling my hairstyle, my technique, what y'all think I should do next. Y'all know I'm up for anything, period. Let's see if we can make it happen, because baby, I was able to make this bob happen, okay? I have been wanting to do this bob, and I was trying to figure out how can I do this bob and not cut my hair and blow, 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 blow. For real, I am so juiced.
Alright guys, so unfortunately I lost some footage, but here is a video of the end style results and a few of the styles that I have worn this hair in so far.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for tuning in. As always, I appreciate you guys. Mwah.